I just got a bunch of stuff piled up in there under a tarp we're trying to save.
For more than 30 years, Kevin Bergeron's family filled this home with their love, stories, and memories.
You just look at it, you're overwhelmed. I mean, what else can you be? I mean, you come here, this is where we were retiring. We're going to live here the rest of our lives. This is my wife's grandfather's house.
Hurricane Ida ripped the roof off. Anything with sentimental value, Bergeron stuffed under this tarp.
My kids race BMX bikes.
He says it's rained here for the past 3 days. He's trying to find as many pictures as he can, including the ones that were hanging on a memory wall in the kitchen.
Everybody in our family that passed away had pictures of them right there, and we had paintings that her grandmother did, her aunt did, and all that. That was all there, her cousins.
Like clockwork, downpours came this afternoon, further dampening an already dark time.
I had 10 payments left on this house. That was it. And it's gone. Now I got to start all over again.
A few minutes away from Bergeron's home is Life Fellowship Community Church. It's where many people in Bayou Gauche gathered on Sundays. From the ground level or from the air, the damage from Hurricane Ida is clear. The crucifix on top of the church got battered, but it's still hanging on.
Well, I cried.
Claire Jett is the co-pastor here. On Sunday, they made sure to hold a service in the parking lot.
There's just such a discouragement and a brokenness that happened right after the storm. And so we wanted to show our people that even in the midst of a storm, we can still praise and we can still worship.
Up in Destrehan at St. Charles Borromeo Church, volunteers from Bogalusa served up fresh barbecue on this Labor Day. Kids displaced from school kept busy by being part of the operation to feed families affected by the storm. With power still weeks away in parts of this parish, a hot meal at this time can be a blessing.
Thank you, Miss Donna.
I mean, you can see.
Back in Bayou Gauche, Kevin Bergeron doesn't quite know the next steps to take in the long road ahead, but he knows where it'll lead. He plans to rebuild what the storm stripped away.
We can rebuild it, it's just stuff. That's what I keep telling my granddaughter. She lives with me too. It's just stuff.